All right, so get your image down, put it on the timeline, right click the image, go to duration, click on frames, make it 1, zoom in to the timeline, make sure you have the picture selected, go to the Fusion page, make sure you have that selected on the left side, shift space, type in magic mask, put the dots on the image, go to matte if you want to make it more detailed. I'll show you how I just did it. All right, from there, go to the deliver page, click on additional clips, make sure it's PNG, put a name in there if you want a name. Make sure you play exploit alpha, and then you add a render queue and you render it. And with that, you have an image with a transparent background. It takes Resolve Studio to do this. Videos for myself.